Hey guys, I had enough of this car. I went back to stock suspension, stock wheels, and I'm here trying to put this suspension back on. And this rear shock is killing me. As you can see, I already had to destroy this bolt because it's impossible to take these things off. And this is Kesso, he's helping me out. And actually, here on Candid Camera, this is Kesso's car. Although it looks like mine, it's a EX model, 8th gen Civic. And his rear shocks are blown. And in this video, we're replacing those blown shocks with replacement shocks by KYB. These are the XLG shock absorbers, and they come with all the new hardware that we need. So the hardest part, again, is to remove those bolts off those the shock top hats. As you can see, this one right here is stripped. There's no room for an Allen key to go. It's just a pain in the ass. So what we did is we drilled through the bolt and then just separated the bolt, and that's the only way to take it off that we managed to do. A little bit of work, but hey, you know, because the new hardware comes with everything, shouldn't be a problem destroying the old equipment here. Take this.
It's not gonna work.
I got the converter though. I never actually used the breaker bar. Whew. That's heavy. You know what we can do? Wonder if we can.
You need another jack? I have another jack. I have the other jack if you want.
That's perfect. I don't want it to just go down.
What do you want me to record?
Me.
Holy shit.
Hey guys, welcome to my garage. I do all kinds of side jobs for cash, top dollar, best price, satisfaction guaranteed. Come through. No refunds. No certifications, no licenses. Whew, that is on there. Who installed that? Should I try the gun?
If you want.
Let's try the impact.
Should be like once they get out from that door.
Can you just hand me the extension?
Once they get out that door, it's no more warranty, right?
Once you leave the driveway.
No?
Nothing, bro. Yeah, we're gonna have to do it by hand. Alright, so we are able to get the old shook off. Again, the comparison between the old and the new. One thing you want to notice is how crooked the actual bolt is right over here. The threads are just turned right over here, so I don't know if it was some damage. But the new one looks definitely better, and even the shock mounts itself on this KYB look a lot better. So let's go ahead and pop this in place. There you can see right there. Alright, Kesso got everything tightened down. We put the shock in there. Went in nice and smooth. One thing I do want to mention is the aftermarket top hats that were in here don't fit properly. As you can see, the top hat in here is loose. It doesn't take the width of the whole mount assembly. So he said he wasn't really having noise, but still that could cause some play in the shock. So he's gonna order some factory bushing mounts, and then that should seal the deal, keep things OEM. As you can see, this bushing right here, it takes the whole space of the mount. So if they do make noise, Kesso, just order the factory mounts. The bushings shouldn't be too much. One day you're gonna be my official cameraman. boys. All right. They were kind of getting loose, man. Like, you know how normally you have to break them open?
Right.
These were. Why is it so hard?
Don't tell me you broke.
Don't tell me it's broken. That shit. We gotta spray some penetrating lubricant. Where's the penetrating lubricant, dog? I do not want a stud breaking on me. We ain't got time for that. Let's see.
You can use 4.
That's so weird. I don't know if that can get it, but I hope it doesn't break.
It's your fault, man.
I just loosened them. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna make sure we get it on camera if it does break. Well, there's 4 more holding it if the worst case scenario. How many miles you got on it now?
A lot.
Yeah.
146, I think.
Okay. Wow, that's so weird how it's just hanging in there.
Yeah, I got really
Try
hard.
tightening it again. Tighten it a few times.
No.
It's just hard, huh? Maybe they installed the stud wrong, and then the threads might be messed up on there. But luckily it's just one. I would try to just take it off. If it breaks, then I mean you still can drive on 4 for some time. I just hope the whole stud ain't spinning. Is it coming out?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's coming out. Is it hard? Just keep a track on which one that was. Yeah, it's the slowest removal I've seen, man.
Maybe it's not coming out.
Push it in. Push the wheel in on the bottom. You see how crooked it is?
Yeah. Oh, I see.
See? I'm just gonna make a note not to work on this car again. Everything's breaking. It's not coming off still? Come on, man. Something's gotta be wrong. Just pull the wheel out. Pull the wheel out. It won't go? What the heck? You want to put the gun to it?
You want to?
Yeah. You got a 19 on you here? Yeah. 19, we got a full. Yeah. Hold it. So, like, why is it not moving out?
Is the whole thing spinning?
It's got to be a broken stud or something. See what I'm saying?
Maybe the lug nut.
It's got to be. Yeah.
Cut the rim.
That's.
Is the whole thing spinning?
It might be just the cover, you know what I'm saying? It might be just because this is a whole cover.
There you
There you go. But look how fried it is inside. A little bit, you see? Warped.
Yeah.
Like, look at that.
That was.
It's a little. You see how it is messed up a little bit.
That was mostly the lug nut.
That's both. This is messed up too. Towards the end, you see, the front is good. Towards the end, it's all messed up here. So I probably wouldn't even put one on.
Okay.
You know, just to keep it safe. Because what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to press this out. You know, hit it with a hammer. Buy a new stud. Press it in. But that's a whole nother.
I have you.
That's a whole nother issue. Oh, well, at least we can take the shock off and progress with all this. All right, here we got the shock unboxing. Okay, so how much did you pay for these?
Like 60, 70?
For the pair or?
Just one.
Oh, each, okay. Not bad. I mean, the construction out of the box looks good. Looks very factory-like. Bushings and everything comes pre-assembled. Pretty good quality. I think KYB is quite reputable. So it's a good shock. I wonder if there's a warranty on these, but...
Lifetime.
Oh, even better. Okay, let's install this one. I'm gonna put it through the bottom here. Now you want the sign facing front or back? Because I can install it either way. Let's see. You see what I mean? You want the thing pointing this way, or I can do it pointing the back way.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
You're gonna pay my calipers though.
So pretty easy shock installation. For the most part, one screw here, one screw on top. It's just a pain with the upper screws, as you guys saw, but we'll put these back together. We'll torque everything down, and then he'll be good to go, driving smooth. And like, these Hondas provide a very luxurious drive, as you guys know. So he's gonna get that OEM smooth sailing Cadillac ride.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.